Have you experienced a sudden mold failure? You are not alone. When a mold breaks down, especially during mass production, it often requires an immediate emergency response. This core insert was made under those exact circumstances. Our customer contacted us for the LUMEX Production Service. We built their part in only 25.5 hours, delivered it on the third day, and had their production back up and running on site by the fourth day. So how was such an exceptionally fast lead time possible with LUMEX? Thanks to LUMEX hybrid AM technology, we can minimize or sometimes completely skip the EDM process. LUMEX alternates between laser sintering layers of metal powder on the table and high-speed milling using a spindle after a set number of layers. This cutting in the middle of the build process enables stable machining of deep and narrow grooves using short tools, which means we can potentially replace EDM entirely, cutting both time and cost. Typically, when making a mold insert, you need to source block material in the right size, plus electrode materials for EDM. With LUMEX, all you need is a base plate and metal powder. While roughing and finishing tools are used separately, the process is completed using only 5 standard tool types. So unless tool life management is specifically required, no additional tool procurement is necessary. You can even do preliminary machining, like drilling on the base plate before additional building on the top surface using LUMEX, which further shortens your lead time. Programming for LUMEX is fast and easy. Just load your 3D model, apply a template, and you are ready to go. All of the techniques needed to minimize thermal distortion, which is unique to metal 3D printing, are already built into LUMEX CAM. So, when using our contract service, all you need to provide is your 3D model and the specifications you require. We'll take care of the rest. With LUMEX, we can deliver more inserts within just a few days. The cost mainly consists of machine time, labor, and consumables, and while the final price depends on the specific case, however, as a general guideline, you can estimate $150 per machine hour for LUMEX operation. And remember, because this is 3D printing, you can include features like conformal cooling channels and gas venting structures without significantly increasing the cost. So you can create high functionality molds at almost no extra expense. We encourage you to consider LUMEX for advanced mold manufacturing as well. Thank you for watching. We look forward to supporting you through our LUMEX production service.